My first section. I did my first 4 Microlocs. I think I'm going to continue on like this. I think the sections are pretty good. The struggle is real. It has been real. I'm going to have to work with the hair to the best of my ability. Okay, so check out where I am. So these are my 2 sections. I do have fine 4C hair. I am going to be going back and retwisting some of the top because the back came out a lot smaller than I expected, but I'm happy about it because I wanted a lot and I'm getting a lot, and my hair is just like, it's killing the game right now. I'm like super excited to see what's going to happen. So this is the back right here, the back so far. And I've just been taking my time and getting through this top section here left. So I didn't do a particular grid. My scalp is really weird when it comes to parting. It never matches up or lines up. So I had a little bit of struggle with that. And I think that's also another reason why it's taking me so long, because I want to make sure that I at least do my best with the twists, because I am not doing these over. This is what I have left here. I have put them in 2 sections. I'm working on this section and then this one. And then once I get that done, then I have to still go back and do this. So honestly, I'm just taking my time. I'm not stressing it out. I take my breaks. I still got my little wig that I wear, and I'll insert pic/video here. I'm in the process of fixing a few that I feel like are a little bit, I feel like there are a few pieces up top that are a little bit larger, and I'm contemplating going in and fixing it, even though I really don't want to. Okay guys, I'm going to conclude the video here. This is definitely a lengthy process for me because I'm having like a lot of anxiety when it comes to doing my hair, and I just want to ensure that once I'm fully completed, once I'm fully done, that I am full on happy with the way it looks. I took a lot of video and a lot of commentary, but I cut things down because I didn't want this to be too lengthy. But please stay tuned for part 2. The results came out really great, and I'll include the first wash day as well.